Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find out what graphics card your computer or laptop is using. Maybe you're wanting to check if your computer is fast enough to run a new game you're going to buy, or maybe you're just curious to know what your graphics card specs are. Whatever the reason is, finding out what your graphics card is a simple task in Windows 10. To get started, go into the Windows Start bar and type in Run, and open the Run application. When the Run application opens up, type in dxdiag and click on the OK button. This will open up the DirectX Diagnostics Tool, which provides us with information about our computer and all graphics and audio cards installed. To view your graphics card, click on the Display tab. From here, you can see the name, manufacturer, chip type, memory, current display mode, and other information about your graphics card. As you can see, I have a built-in Intel graphics card. And it's as easy as that. Finding out your computer's graphics card is a simple task to perform. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.